first thing I like to do is get her hair really moisturized. I take a spray bottle and I add some warm water with about a capful of her leave-in hair conditioner. I like to use Hair Milk by Carol's Daughter. Next, I like to take my rat tail comb and I comb her hair really well, working that conditioner in, making sure there's no tangles and knots. Then I'm going to do her part, starting from behind her ear all the way across her head. Making sure the hair is really moisturized makes this step a lot easier. Once I have it parted, I just take the brush and I brush her hair to separate the part really well. Next, I'm going to split the front part into two sections down the middle. Then I'm going to make two little ponytails using these mini elastic hair bands. During this step, I also make sure to brush her little baby hairs out, just so I don't pull them too tight. Once the ponytails are done, I kind of just brush it, fluff it, and add some more conditioner. Then I'm going to take her little two mini clips and add them right in front of her ponytails. To finish the look off, I'm going to take a dab of Aloe Vera Gel and dip it in a soft bristle toothbrush to comb her baby hairs down. You can also use the Aloe Vera Gel to comb down any additional stray hairs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye now. Thanks for watching.